Yo, what is going on, everyone in the crypto space? Today I'm going to be discussing Bitcoin and the sea of red in the cryptocurrency market, how this looks similar to another situation that happened a couple months ago, and what this means for the future. Now, a couple days, Bitcoin hit an all-time high on Bitstamp on the U.S. trading pair, or the U.S. dollar trading pair, and it hit 16,650. After that, it's just been declining. Then it reached a support level of $13,000 and managed to bounce back up to around $15,300. Now it is hovering around 14,200, and in my opinion, it looks like it may be going down from here. But over the next couple of days, this uncertainty just needs to get resolved, and people just need to keep moving forward. Realize that this futures exchange is not going to have that big of an impact right now, but futures exchanges in the future may have a big impact on Bitcoin because this is only one futures exchange. I think the real uncertainty will come when there's like multiple futures exchanges listing Bitcoin, like Nasdaq, CME. There's a few other ones that have stated that they do want to start supplying Bitcoin futures to their clients. But this is just one exchange. This sell-off, this is just a little uncertainty. I can relate this to the first Bitcoin hard fork, which was Bitcoin Cash, and the market dove down way deeper than it did right now. It went from like 117 billion in market cap to about 55 billion in market cap, so it lost almost 50% just due to one hard fork. And then look at it now, it rebounded from that. That's a thing of the past, didn't even affect the market. It's just some temporary uncertainty, so that's all that this is. We still don't know if futures exchanges really are going to affect Bitcoin negatively or positively, which is why there's such a sell-off. People are just uncertain about what's going to happen. So some people are just wanting to get out of Bitcoin. Some people want to buy in because it's cheaper. You just got this like unbalance of uncertainty, and people are just going like whatever, it's going to keep going. Then other people are thinking like, I don't know, futures exchanges might kill Bitcoin. So right now in the cryptocurrency market, over the next week or a couple days, I think we're just going to see just like a small downtrend. It was a minor correction because when uncertainty comes to a market, that's the only choice it has to do. It just needs to go down until people think it's a comfortable level of, okay, I think we're going to be fine, so I'll buy back in, push the market to new all-time highs. So, I mean, really, this isn't that big of a deal. But yeah, like I mentioned earlier, this was pretty similar to the hard fork. You know, the hard fork was even worse because people heard Bitcoin, oh my god, Bitcoin's going to split. Like, what? I mean, that panicked people. So this just, futures exchanges selling futures contracts for Bitcoin, I mean, may not affect it. It may, again, this is the uncertainty. Like, I'm uncertain. I'm not even sure. I mean, it could really go either way. But as of right now, it's probably going to continue going down, which is a good time to buy because after this uncertainty's over, we're just going to keep pushing all-time highs. And market's just going to keep moving forward and forget about this little uncertainty that happened. Because uncertainty, it only happens for a couple days or maybe a week at most when it comes to a change in the market. And then people just adapt to it. And then from the little sell-off, everyone sees it as, okay, good buying position, I'm going to buy in. Then people just keep buy. Next thing you know, Bitcoin's at 30,000. So, I mean, really not a big deal. We're just going to see a little sell-off. What I do want to mention about Ripple, though, is that compared to a lot of the other altcoins, like IOTA down 13%, NEM 12, Cardano 10, Stellar Lumens 15%, Populous 13%, Monero 8%, Bitcoin Gold 8%, they're all dropping 8%. Ripple's only down 4.6%, which is not too bad, and if Ripple can kind of maintain that separation away from the market, I think that would make people view Ripple as a safe haven for when Bitcoin has corrections. So I hope Ripple will actually end up being up a couple percent while all the other coins are down, so people can kind of see Ripple as not the same as every other altcoin, and that it's completely on space, and that when the whole market dives down, it does not dive down as much with it as it could compared to some of these other coins. So this correction is really nothing, just a little market uncertainty. We'll be back to normal in a week. So if you guys are wanting to buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Litecoin, check out the links in the description. There's a link on where you can buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin and other altcoins on Coinbase, and the other link is a Ledger Nano S, which you can use to store your cryptocurrency to keep it safe from hackers because there are many hacks out there. So thank you guys for watching this. Stay trading, stay investing, and I will see you in the next video.